Everyone, when they've got bad oats, we are doing LHFSH and testosterone. And in case they come normal, then it's quite a big problem because I don't know what is leading to oats. And then we have got coming in a patient who's got low testosterone, which is criteria 3. In both, whenever we are dealing with an idiopathic, like what happens in a patient who has got unexplained infertility? We try to push in more clomiphene, make more number of eggs. So here we start giving clomiphene. See, when somebody's testosterone is low, how do you manage that man? When low levels of testosterone will occur in the man, how will you handle it? A young boy like him, or somebody at me who's around 15, 16 years elder to them. In case you give somebody testosterone at a young age, he'll have good sexual function, but it will lead to adult onset hypo. Are you with me or not? I want to challenge me because this is the main crux of the whole process. But it lead to adult onset hypo, and then then he won't make sperms. He'll have proper sexual history. His Adam score will increase, but he won't form. For fertility, it is a killer. If somebody crosses age of 55, 60, people take all those Canos gels for their sexual functionality and hypogonadism. Young people में नहीं देना because that will lead to negative feedback. So this is very common thing nowadays. All these people, they take a lot of supplementations and then they'll end up here. Now, what somebody was saying, that I am managing people on the basis of, we are managing people on the basis of some Aphrodite criteria.